Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this new video, we will be talking about setting up the behave for Python and Selenium. So what I've done so far, like I said in the previous video, I've gone ahead to create the data elements that will be mapped into what we need. And like I did in the previous videos, I created them as a class. Now what I did differently here is I included all the doc strings like I mentioned, which is good practice. And I did the same thing in the page object file as well. So what I've done essentially was just I added this before so I could reuse those steps. I just copied them from where they were and changed some things there. And the only difference is, unlike all the things I've installed in the past, all I've installed here is just Selenium and the WebDriver Manager. If you check here, all I did was just install Selenium and the WebDriver Manager. So now I will install Behave and I'll set up the structure that would help us run that. So I'll install Behave by just typing pip install. In case you do not know what to install, you can come here on your project on your web browser and go to site called py.org and search for behave. Then you will see the one that you're supposed to use, which is this. So you just essentially just copy this, copy the command, come into here and paste. I already have it here, so I can just paste it. And there it goes. This is installed into my virtual environment, so I need to let it also be in my requirement.txt file. So I'm going to do a pip freeze. A pip freeze would help me list all the plugins I've installed, but with this particular command here, it copies it into the requirement.txt file. So I'm going to do that straight away and hit enter. So it has copied everything here. So the missing plugins and requirements, the missing packages are already highlighted, so I can install it. The reason I need it here is because I will at some point. The reason I need it here is because it will help me be able to debug on my Python. So that won't be an issue for me when I begin to run some things on my Python. So that was why I need it here. So I've changed my interpreter to a lower version, and the lower version is a bit secure, so I need to put in my password for everything I install. So now that we've installed Behave, I would not want this video to extend for a very long time. So in the next video, we'll talk about the the BDD folder structure, and we would include that in what we want to do right now in the next video. So this will sum up the end of this video. We've installed Behave successfully. So in the next video, we will create the folder structure. Thank you for getting this far. If you have questions, leave in the comment section. And if it's just for vote of confidence, you can also leave in the comment section. But above all, do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.